Wife and husband hit with criminal charges. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A St. Andrew businessman, John Levy, and his wife, Donna Levy, has been hit with multiple criminal charges. Levy, who is age 59, and his wife, who is age 56, were arrested and charged on Monday, December 20 by investigators from the Fraud Squad and Counterterrorism Organized Investigation Branch CTOC. They have since been granted bail. John Levy is a former member of the West Indies Petroleum Limited Board. John and the company parted ways in February of this year. In a statement today, the JCF Corporate Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force revealed that Levy has been charged with forgery, fraud as a director, conspiracy to defraud, simple larceny, and creating public mischief. Meanwhile, Donna Levy, his wife, was charged with conspiracy to defraud and receiving stolen property. Both were charged after being interrogated at CTOC headquarters in Kingston. The police said that more details about the investigation will be released to the public soon. It is understood that the Levys have retained the services of Christopher Townsend as their attorney. We'll continue to track this story and provide you more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.